Anita Baker is an American singer-songwriter. Baker was born on January 26, 1958 in Toledo, Ohio. When she was 2, her mother abandoned her and Baker was raised by a foster family in Detroit, Michigan. By the time Baker was 16, she began singing R&B at Detroit nightclubs. After one performance, she was discovered by bandleader David Washington, who gave her a card to audition for the funk band Chapter 8. In 1986, she rose to fame following the release of her platinum-selling second album Rapture, which included the Grammy-winning single Sweet Love. As of 2017, Baker has won 8 Grammy Awards and has 4 platinum albums, along with 2 gold albums. Baker is a contralto with a wide range of octaves. In March 2021, Baker entered into a conflict with Elektra Records over rights to her master recordings, which she claimed were supposed to return to her after the expiration of her contract, according to copyright law. She asked fans to stop buying and streaming her music until the rights to her music were given to her. In September 2021, she announced that the dispute had been settled and that she owned her masters. In 2023, Rolling Stone ranked Baker at number 92 on its list of the 200 greatest singers of all time. Baker married Walter Bridgeforth Jr. on December 24, 1988 at their home in Detroit. In the following year, Baker had a miscarriage. The couple separated in 2005 and finalized their divorce 2 years later. They have 2 sons, Walter Baker Bridgeforth